Hello, good morning, guys. I showed you in my last video about the X-Carve. Last night I printed these. These are rail stiffeners for the aluminum extrusions. These are, I think, the X-axis ones. These two are for the X-axis, and this is for the Y-axis. These are just stiffeners so that there's not a lot of flex in the aluminum extrusion when you are carving. In wood, hardwoods it matters as does it matter in aluminium. It doesn't matter for MDF and all that. And this is the cover for the Y-axis side that I printed. And I printed it on the older machine. And look at the quality of this. Also, my email address is on the YouTube page. So if any of you you have any projects which you need a printed part or anything, you can drop me an email and we can discuss about it. At the end of the day, it's a business and it's a small startup. So I would really need the support to make this startup a success.